Welcome to the Gauss Law Interactive Calculator, which solves electromagnetic field problems using Gauss's law for various geometries. Let's explore the drop-down menu for calculation modes. You can select Calculate Electric Field, Calculate Enclosed Charge, Calculate Electric Flux, Calculate Surface Area, Calculate Spherical Field at Distance, or Calculate Cylindrical Field at Radius. For this demonstration, we'll use Calculate Electric Field. The input fields include electric flux measured in voltmeters, enclosed charge in coulombs, surface area in square meters, electric field in newtons per coulomb, radius or distance in meters, cylinder length in meters, and charge density in coulombs per meter. For our example, when calculating electric field from known flux and charge values, the calculator determines the field strength at a given surface. After entering your flux value and enclosed charge, the results section displays the calculated electric field value, along with the corresponding charge, flux, and surface area values. The calculator also shows the permittivity constant used in the calculation and provides a status indicator confirming successful computation. This tool streamlines complex electromagnetic calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.